Hey, this will be a video chart on GOIG. This is going to be real short because there's not too much to say, but there is a nice little chart setup going on, so I want to get this updated here, and we'll see if anything comes out of it. But what I'm seeing here is a possible nice bounce play coming up for multiple reasons. Actually, kind of three things have occurred today that look like this may be ready to turn back around. And I don't know about reversed, but as far as bounce, I like the chances. The first thing is, look at this nice candle we got today. Hammer candle, doji, whatever you want to call it. Bottom line though, when you see these sorts of candles occur in downwards trends like this, this is a nice first kind of sign of a possible bottom. The second thing, if you look where the candle has occurred, right here at this orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. If you're not familiar with charts, then there's kind of two moving averages that are pretty crucial because essentially everybody uses them on their charts. First one being the 50-day and the other one being the 200-day. So seeing a candle like this form right next to a key moving average like this, that just makes the case even stronger. And then the third part is look down here at this volume, big volume, so a possible kind of capitulation type move here. Perhaps whoever wanted to get out, or a group, or whatever it was that has been causing this, maybe they're finally out here. That is just speculation. But when you combine these three things, that the chances, I think, look pretty good of some sort of upwards move. Now, is that a guaranteed bounce coming? Obviously, there's no guarantees within the market, but from a technical analysis standpoint, I like how all three things have aligned, kind of like the stars aligning, and we'll have to see if anything comes of it. But playing the probabilities and odds, it's a pretty good risk versus reward. Hopping somewhere down here, you can have a little small risk, and then the reward is pretty much as you want to have with it. Now, if the price does get moving, the key area to be watching is this area right here, which I believe it bumped its head on today. But right here at 0.01, so at a penny, you can see it came down here and bounced. So this was support, and then when it fell, it became resistance. And let's see, what was the high of today? Was 0.01. So it did come up here and bump its head on this area of resistance. This will be the key thing. If the volume stays strong again tomorrow and the price kind of just surges up through this, then that's where a nice little bounce could happen. There will be another pretty close resistance right afterwards at this blue line here, which is the 10-day simple moving average. But if these two resistances can start to fall, then volume remains relatively strong. Hopefully that'll bring in some momentum and traders and chart players and so forth, and then we can get some organic momentum and see if this bounce can get even heavier. So that's where the chart currently stands. Like I said, no such thing as a guarantee, but with the candlestick form, the 200-day right here, and then the nice volume, it's worth at least putting on your radar and seeing what happens tomorrow and the rest of this week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was GOIG. Thanks for listening.